Hello, dear subscribers out there. So, the very famous Red Hat is hiring for trainee post and freshers are eligible. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to apply for a job if you are looking for job opportunities. If you want to work with a very good company, if you want to start your career with a very good company, this is the right opportunity and the right time for you. So please keep watching the video till the end. Maximum it's going to be 3 minutes. If you have like 3 minutes to spare from your routine, then this video is going to be really helpful for you. Okay, so Red Hat, the very famous Red Hat is hiring for trainee associate software engineer. So when you are seeing this kind of job opportunity videos, you will get an idea like what is the skills the companies are looking for. I need to get a certification or a training in this area to get placed. Those kind of ideas also you will be getting. So it is not just waste of time. Just 3 minutes from your routine, it's going to be really fruitful for you in your career path. Okay, so trainee associate software engineer is the title. You can see the location as Pune. Scrolling down, what you will be doing here is you'll be developing of features, implement features, fix bugs, write clean and maintainable code, testing and quality assurance, unit testing, integration testing, everything, collaboration, working with your mentors, senior engineers, QE, product team, documentation, all those things. Automation, build and maintain automation test suites, software infrastructure, Kubernetes, OpenShift, Linux fundamentals, learning new technologies, AI, ML. So nowadays, AI has a lot of job opportunities. So if you're looking for AI related jobs, try to get some certifications in AI. That is going to be really helpful. Okay, now what is your qualification? What is the qualification needed here? Must be graduated within the last year, that is 2025 batch. Any batch up to 2025 is eligible. Okay, with a bachelor degree or master degree in engineering, in the computer science or IT or AI or ML. Knowledge of programming language, Python, Golang, knowledge of MySQL, familiarity with Linux, willing to work in open, collaborative, inclusive and focused on customer experience, familiarity with Agile, Jira, SonarCube, code reviews, debugging tools, logging, observability, etc. Red Hat certifications is a plus. It's not required. It's a plus. So anybody who is having all these skills can apply. You don't need to have an experience. It's for freshers. Anybody who is graduated within the last year, that is 2025, is eligible. That's it. Okay. So if you are interested, if you are eligible, you can apply. You don't need to have experience, but the thing is, you have to have a knowledge of all these things. So if you want to become a software developer nowadays, all these things are the requirement. You have to have a knowledge of various programming languages like Python, Golang, JavaScript, etc. You need to have MySQL knowledge, that is databases. You need to have operating system knowledge like Linux, containers, etc. Containers are basically from Google Cloud and stuff. Yeah. You need to have a good mentality. That's it. Okay. So I'm concluding the video here. Link is in the description. Go to the link. Also, don't forget to follow the Instagram handle. A lot of opportunities I'll be posting there as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.